If you want a twist to a classic recipe, you're in the right place. Today, I'm putting a twist on one of the most classic recipes of all time. I'm making the sister to the potato salad. I'm making my Caribbean breadfruit salad. It is so delicious, so easy to make, and it's going to be a staple in your home. Let me show you how I make it. Come on, let's go. First things first, let me introduce you to the ingredients. The ingredients for the breadfruit salad is similar to the ingredients of the potato salad. The only difference is that we're using breadfruit instead of potatoes. And for my delicious Caribbean breadfruit salad, you are going to need, of course, your breadfruit. And I already went ahead and cooked my breadfruit. And I have a video on how to cook breadfruit. I'm going to go ahead and link it for you guys just in case you want to see how I cook my breadfruit. And it's still a little warm, I just cooked it. You are going to need your mixed veg. Please go ahead and cook your mixed veg either on the stove top or in the microwave. Parsley, eggs. I'm going to add some of my homemade green seasoning. You have to season and flavor everything, guys. Mayo, your favorite mayo. I'm using Hellmann's. Mustard. And some pimento peppers, sliced pimento peppers. And that's it, guys. Very simple ingredients, just like you would make your potato salad. Now let's put it together. First thing we are going to need to do, you are going to need to go ahead and peel your breadfruit. And you need to take this part off. That's the heart of the breadfruit. And you need to go ahead and take the skin off. And this breadfruit is beautiful. It came all the way from St. Lucia, guys. It had a long journey over here. Going to do the same. For this breadfruit salad, I'm only using half of a breadfruit. If you're making it, depending on how many people you are going to feed, you may need a whole breadfruit. Beautiful. And you just need to cube up your breadfruit, just like you would your potatoes. And I am not a breadfruit lover, but for this recipe, I love it. And you don't want the chunks to be too small, because you do not want for it to be too mushy after you've mixed everything in. So cut it into big enough chunks so after you mix in the rest of your ingredients, it still stays together. And that's it, guys. After you've cubed up your breadfruit, this is what it should look like. So now we are going to go ahead and add our ingredients. Mixed veg, parsley, going to go ahead and slice up my egg in there. And I'm using half of a breadfruit, so I'm just using 2 eggs. Going to go ahead and mix this in. Make sure it's evenly distributed into my breadfruit. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my homemade green seasoning. And I also have a video on how I make my homemade green seasoning. I can also link that for you guys if you're interested. Mustard. Mayonnaise. And I have here about half a cup of mayonnaise. But you just eyeball. If I need more, I'm going to add more. Mix this all in. Going to add some more mayo. And this recipe is very simple and easy to make, guys. Once you have all your ingredients, you just dump everything in and mix. Now I'm going to add my pimento peppers. Very important, guys. Your sliced pimento peppers. The pimento peppers gives it this beautiful flavor. And that's it, guys. It's all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and dish some up. And that's it, guys. Beautiful. And that's it, guys. This is how I make my delicious breadfruit salad, my twist on a classic, the sister to the potato salad, my Caribbean style breadfruit salad. So that's it, guys. My delicious breadfruit salad, the sister or the little cousin to the classic potato salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new today. I hope you learned another way to put a twist on a classic. Please don't forget to go ahead, subscribe, like, and share. Please help me grow over here so I can keep bringing you more delicious Caribbean classics. Please try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Until the next time, guys, I'm going to keep eating. Bye, guys.